Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Maestro Edge completely off and removing any charger or fob. This avoids live terminals. Once done, flip the unit to expose the underside and remove the 4 torque screws and the single safety clip. Make sure to lay screws in order so reassembly is straightforward. Then use a plastic spudger to gently pry the cover. Don't force it and watch for hidden tabs. You'll see the battery pack secured with a strap and a wiring plug. We'll work that next. You need to document the connector orientation and polarity. Take a clear photo for reference. Once done, check the pack with a multimeter to ensure there is no hazardous voltage. This confirms it's safe to touch. Next, depress the connector latch and pull straight to avoid damaging pins. After the plug is free, remove the mounting screws holding the pack, then lift the battery by its strap, not by wires. If adhesive is present, slide a spudger underneath slowly until the pack releases. You place the replacement battery into the bay and secure it with the original screws. Don't over-tighten. Snug is enough. Once mounted, reconnect the wiring harness exactly as your photo shows and confirm the latch clicks. Reinstall the cover and the torque screws, then power up and plug in for the initial charge to 100% while monitoring temperature for the first 20 minutes. If it won't power, check the connector seating, inspect the inline fuse, and measure voltages with a multimeter to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.